Hello, we are from Group 6. Today we will present about our project. Thank you. Introduction. Python programming is a versatile and widely used high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes reliability and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Python's extensive standard library provides a wide range of modules and functions that simplify common tasks and allow developers to create complex applications with ease. Python's popularity stems from its versatility and applicability to various domains such as web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. One of Python's notable features is its strong support for readable and maintainable code, promoting good programming practice. It also offers excellent integration with other languages and platforms. In summary, Python is a powerful and flexible programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and extensive community support. Objectives from the programming is to calculate the reaction force at support A and B, and secondly, calculate the internal shear force at point Q. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Mirza, and today I want to present my presentation, which is reaction force. Reaction force is a fundamental concept in physics that describes the force exerted on an object as a response to another force acting on it. According to Newton's third law of motion, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When a force is applied to an object, the object exerts an equal and opposite force back on the source of the initial force. This opposing force is known as the reaction force. It occurs due to the interaction between two objects or system and acts in the opposite direction to the applied force. Okay, in this slide, I'm going to share about internal shear force, also known as shear force. It's a fundamental concept in structural engineering and mechanics. It refers to the force that acts parallel to the cross section of a structure, causing it to deform or undergo shear stress. Shear force is the result of external loads applied to a structure, such as forces or moments. When these loads are transmitted through a structural element, such as beam or a column, they generate internal forces within the material. Shear force specifically refers to the force that acts perpendicular to the longitudinal axis of the structural element, causing it to deform or undergo shearing.
Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Tajuddin Arif bin Tajul Arifin. I will talk about the flowchart. Flowchart is the frame of work before we start our coding. Okay, firstly, we will declare the float which is the Z, P, Li, Lxy, X, L, Ra, Rb, and Vq. Next, we'll insert the input value which is the L and I. If the L is equals to Li, then we will show it main menu, enter L to calculate reaction force, nor any other value to calculate internal shear force. It will show the user insert the data. But if the L is not equal to Li, it will show the error L must be greater than Li. Please input new value. Then the user need to input a new value for the I. Then it will until it becomes true. Next, if the z is equals to 1, then the user need to insert the value of if input p and x. But if the z is not equals to 1, user need to insert the input p, x, and I. For the if if z equals to 1, the user will come to x bigger than 0 and x less than li. If it's false, x must be bigger than it will be shown, and we need to input the new x value, and if it is true, then the calculation for rb and ra will be calculated, and it will display the reaction b and reaction a. But if z equals to 1 is false, z is not equals to 1, we need to input the p, x, and I. Next, if I is bigger than L, then it will show the display invalid. Ask user to input new value of I, it becomes I is bigger than Li. Next, if x less than I, if it's true, it will be calculated for the VQ. But if it is false, x is bigger or equals to I, it will calculate the VQ and it will display the VQ value. That's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Rahim and my matrix number is CF210320. Right now, I would like to explain a little about pseudocode that we've been using in this project. The pseudocode that we created aims to find the value of reaction on support A, reaction on support B, and shear force. First of all, we need to find the value of reaction on support A and reaction on support B. We use the Jupyter notebook to calculate that value. So we follow and apply this pseudocode during the coding. After we got the value of reaction on support A and support B, we need to calculate the value of shear force on the beam. Also, we followed and applied this pseudocode during the coding. We coded until we got the actual value of shear force.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ashraf and I want to present about program user manual. So the first step is to put the unknown value, which is value of L, L1, P and X. Then we need to decide if L is bigger than L1, it will proceed to the next step. If the value of L is smaller than L1, it will automatically reject and repeat to the first step. Then we put the formula to calculate the reaction of the beam. After we input the formula to calculate the reaction of the beam, we need to enter the value of I. If the value of I is bigger than L1, it will reject it. If the value is smaller than L1, so the calculation can be proceed with two choice of formula that depends on the value of X. If it's bigger or smaller, the value of I. Thank you.